Assalamu alaikum. Today we are at actually, please don't interrupt my video. We're actually today at या क्या बनन चाच मेरे को मजदी वे
खारदपुर
चाच
खारदपुर
चाच इसको क्या बोलते हैं दर्दपुरा
खारदपुरा
दर्दपुरा में we're actually this time at दर्दपुरा
शांस चढ़ गई इधर ही
it's अनंतनाग इस्लामाबाद के चाच हाँ डिस्ट्रिक्ट अपना ही है तो we are actually it's the place is known as Dardpora. Sorry for interrupting. The place is known as Dardpora. It is with nearby area. It is Chittorgarh. Chittorgarh comes to its nearby area. It's an actually off-road track. No cars or no bikes can go to that place. We are where to go. It's actually a waterfall there. Where we are heading this time. So let me show you some beautiful view. Actually it was raining this time, but somehow the clouds have been disappeared. The rain has stopped and the sunlight has came out. So let me show you the view. It's the beautiful view of the place. Pure nature. We had kept our car like it's 2 kilometers away from where we had kept our car. So you can see the road. You can see the mountains. What you call peace in nature. I changed my clothes and now I'm heading towards the waterfall. The other two buddies who are with me, they have gone pretty a long way. I don't think so I would be easily able to catch them. This is the route through which I am this time walking, and those are the other two guys. If you can zoom, those are the other two guys who are with me, and they have crossed a pretty much good distance, and I'm just walking and they are jogging. Perhaps the guys waiting, and I think so it would take now not more than 10 to 15 minutes. Hopefully very soon. Oh, what? क्या? Huh? Rude was it was raining. No, sunlight has came out now we can enjoy nicely. So what I can say this time is just this, that we are walking, we all three, and this is the update. And I was about to fall, so once we reach there I will share it. Our one companion, he's leading us, but the reality is he don't know from where the way is, but still he's leading us. Let's see. We are gonna be reach. beautiful view of nature. Can see it. The pleasant sound of water, woods, like everything seems peaceful. Now I doubt myself that how we going, like, is it a right path for which we are going right now? Now I'm doubting myself. See, what's the route to this? Seriously, I'm afraid now. I'm afraid, and I don't know where from to go. They have been stuck. They have been stuck. I'm not gonna go through that route. That route's pretty dangerous. The route I will try to go is also dangerous, but let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I will try to go through this route. They are going from that route, but I was unable to cross from there. Now I will try from this route. The river has been crossed successfully, and I don't know still how much do we have to walk. The small girl there told it's just 2 minutes away, and I was presuming that it would take us 5 minutes, but we are walking like from almost 10 to 15 minutes. Still, I don't think so. We had reached it somewhere near to that. The easy I was thinking it would be, the more tougher it's getting. You can see the view here is worth it. The view is worth it. It's worth climbing, it's worth running, it's worth jogging, it's worth walking. The view I got here when I reached was worth it, worth everything that I faced, or that we faced. Assalamu alaikum. Kuthas dur chu? Isha? I just reached. Acha Japari wa? We have reached. Now just I have to go through this. I'll show you. I had to go through this. Sorry, not I. We had to go through this, and the one person is already there. Here it is. Here he is actually. And now I'm going. The beautiful horse. So let me keep the cam close. It's Sasta Bear Grylls. Quad pa quad.